Please note, all scenes in this video are sample procedures based on the PIDAC environmental cleaning best practices. However, your procedures may vary according to the tools, equipment, and cleaning products being used within your facility. Also, the use of any logos and products seen in this video is not intended as an endorsement.
In the process of bed changing and cleaning in a healthcare environment, use the following procedures. First, clean hands and put on gloves before removing the dirty linen. Strip the bed and pillows and discard the linen into the soiled linen bag. Roll these sheets carefully to prevent aerosols from getting into the air. After this, remove your gloves and clean your hands with alcohol-based hand rub. If your hands are visibly soiled, you must use soap and water to clean them. Put on fresh gloves. When cleaning the bed, always work in a systematic fashion, working from clean to dirty and from the foot of the bed to the head of the bed. Clean the top and sides of the mattress, and then turn the mattress over and clean the underside. Make sure you also clean the exposed bed springs and frame. Check for cracks or holes in the mattress, and have the mattress replaced as required. You must also clean the pillows. In addition, you must inspect for pests. Clean the footboard, headboard, bed rails, call bell, and bed controls as well. It is essential that you pay particular attention to areas that are visibly soiled and surfaces that are frequently touched by staff, patients, or residents. Clean all lower parts of bed frame, including casters. Remove gloves and clean hands. Once you've allowed the mattress and pillows to dry, you can remake the bed according to your facility specifications.